Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Sotanghon soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of Sotanghon noodles, 200 grams of chicken breast, and 1 cup of rich chicken broth. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of ginger, all finely chopped. Also, have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt and pepper, ready to enhance the flavors. Now, let's build our flavor base. Start by slicing your 200 grams of chicken breast into thin, bite-sized pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a pot over medium heat. Once hot, add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become translucent. Then, introduce the garlic and ginger, cooking for about 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. Finally, add the chicken pieces and cook them until they are no longer pink, stirring gently. With our chicken and aromatics ready, it's time to create the soup. Carefully pour in 1 cup of chicken broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Now, season generously with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a pinch of salt and black pepper to your liking. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let everything simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step allows all the delicious flavors to meld together and ensures your chicken becomes wonderfully tender. Almost there. Now for the star of our dish, the Sotanghon noodles. Add the 100 grams of noodles directly into the simmering soup. Cook them for just 3 to 5 minutes or until they become tender and beautifully translucent. Remember to stir gently to ensure they cook evenly. Once done, ladle the hot, comforting Sotanghon soup into your favorite bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh chopped green onions or crispy fried garlic. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.